Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I will show you how you can customize these menus in your WordPress dashboard. For this you have to install a plugin. To install a plugin, hover over plugins and click on add new. Now in the plugin search bar, search admin menu editor. Now here you can see admin menu editor with 300,000 active installations. Now click on install now. After installation, click on activate. Now the plugin was successfully activated. Now click on settings. It will take you to plugin settings page. Now it will appear like that. Now when I want to hide this, so I will click on comments and then click on hide without preventing access. I will click here and now I will save changes. Now you can look there is no comments menu appear. Now you can change the name. Let's see, I want to change the dashboard name, so I will click here. Here you can see menu title. I will change the dashboard to home. You can also change its icon. For this you have to click on show advanced and here you can see the icon. So I will select home icon. So I will select this icon and I will save the changes. Now you can see the title name and icon was changed. Now you can also arrange them. Let's see, I want to arrange the post and pages alongside, so I will drag pages upside. Now I want settings under my home page, so I will take it under home. Now also I will take this appearance under settings, so it will appear like that. Now I will save changes again. Now you can see the menu tabs was changed and you can see settings under home and appearance under settings. You can also arrange them alphabetically, so it will appear like that. And now I will save the changes. Now you can see all the settings appeared alphabetically. That's how you can customize WordPress admin menu. Hope you learned something new in this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.